We gon' make it. We gon' make it. We gon' make it. We gon' make it.
Hi, Chef Cutting here. Would like to let you know that I am Chef Ted Cutting, also featured on Chopped Television. I want to take the time out to congratulate Chef Fresh of Fresh 82 Cafe. You've taken the first steps to take Fresh 82 Community Cafe to the next level. I want you to know that you have the full support of your family and friends behind you, praying you will do well. Remember, there will be challenging times ahead, but if you pray to God to bless your journey, then your success is a far-gone conclusion. Go ahead, Chef Fresh, and make nutritious food accessible to all. I'm Chef Ted Cutting, and I thoroughly endorse Chef Fresh.
We gon' make it. We gon' make it. We gon' make it. We gon' make it. We gon' make it.